What is up, YouTube? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up on this video. We have a ton of home theater content specifically for you guys to help you make an educated buying decision on your new home media system, whether it's surround sound in your living room or a dedicated home theater space. We have you covered. Today, we are going to be unboxing the Focal. The exact model is the 300 ICW8. This is an in-ceiling speaker from Focal, and it's their mid-tier architectural speaker. So they have a 100, and then they have the 300, and then they have the Electra, which is like made with the beryllium inverted dome tweeters, which is kind of what they're really well known for. But this is also one of their top tier technologies that they put into their higher end speakers. So this has the flax woofers and the aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this guy up and show it to you guys, and I'll make some other videos in relation to Focal in the future as well. So again, smash that subscribe button. All right guys, let's get into this video. All right, let's go ahead and open this guy up. One thing I do want to mention to you guys as I am opening this is Dreamedia is a authorized reseller, a direct authorized reseller of Focal. We really pride ourselves on forming solid relationships with the manufacturers and selling products that we truly believe in. This manufacturer is actually in France. They hand make these speakers. They have less than a 1% fail rate because they're putting the human touch on it. So whenever you're looking at higher end audio, this is definitely one that I'm sure you've heard of, and one that I am proud to be able to offer to my customers. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. See what's inside. Okay, first things first. I've noticed this. I've done some other unboxing videos of some of the other architectural speakers as well. I started with architectural speakers because this is one of our best-selling lines. No matter what manufacturer it is, people just love in-wall because it's clean. And you can get really good performance out of speakers like these in your wall. So you get the clean look and the awesome performance. So make sure to call and ask one of our sales guys about details on how we can make situation work for your home and your exact needs. So this is a paint grill cover. So this is really nice if you're doing a custom home and you put the pre-construction brackets up, the sheetrock, pop your speakers in, boom, this goes right over, and then the guys just paint all the walls. Makes it really nice. You got a quick start guide here, a little manual, and this is for all of the speakers. They make 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch in ceiling. I just got the 8-inch for an unboxing video. Similar technology built into all of them though. You can tell just by the way they package it. I mean, everything is really well done with this manufacturer. They have magnetic grills as well. So you just stick it right to the front of the speaker. Got the Focal badge on there, looking good. They got this little cloth if you don't want to be able to see the speaker through it, like when it's up on the ceiling. That just makes it look, not sure if you can tell, but makes it disappear. Go ahead and set this aside. Oh, this is nice. Check it out. So they actually, there's another manufacturer that I like a lot as well that does this, and I find it very convenient because I have customers that are picky about, you know, the visual appearance. I mean, when you're building a multi-million-dollar home, the devil's in the details. So it's nice that it comes with a square grill option and it comes with the round grill option. Got all our bases covered there. Okay, Anything else in here I'm missing? Oh, cutout template. So if you're doing a retrofit, a home that is existing, or maybe it was just a spec home where the wiring was stubbed out, this is a cutout template. So basically you put this on your ceiling, draw a line with a pencil, and then you cut it out with your sheetrock saw. And they show you exactly how the quick release option works. All of these, this whole series, the 300 series, is all supposed to be toolless. Basically, if you were to do it correctly from the very beginning and put all of your planning into place, what you would do is use your pre-construction bracket to screw into the wall, into the 2x4s, and then the sheetrock would go over it. It would be pre-wired, and then literally all you would do is just pop them in. So I'll show you that here more in just a second. Now this is a two-piece design. A lot of speaker manufacturers are starting to do this because it just makes install so much easier. Basically what you do is you know, cut your hole on the ceiling, and then you pop this into place like that. See how it grabs onto the, if your sheetrock was right here, this plastic would be on the outside of the sheetrock, and then this would clip right on like that, so that it holds it down all the way around. Pretty cool. You guys can see that. Yeah, I'm super excited to be a direct dealer with these guys. I think we're gonna do a lot of fun projects with Focal going forward. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Now the fun part, the speaker itself. All right, let's check this bad boy out. Okay, so this is the speaker, and again it's got the flax woofer, magnesium, aluminum, inverted tweeter, which is supposed to maximize efficiency. This is the rear. You got push button terminals there. You even have high level adjustments here on the back. Yeah, you can tell these are definitely well built. Here, I'm gonna bring you guys up close so you can check it out. Just kind of spin it slowly for you so you can see all the way around. It's got a massive magnet on it. It's a big speaker. Up close shot of the front. Well, let's take a look at how this would actually snap into place. So say you put your speaker in, everything's now clamped onto the sheetrock. You would then insert the speaker in the bracket like that, and then you can see it locks into place just like that. Pretty cool. I like the way that works. You guys see what I'm talking about now? See how that's, the speaker actually kind of pushes it into place. Focal. Okay, so this is the pre-construction bracket. This is key if you're going to be doing a custom home, or even maybe just a theater in your basement and you want to make your life easy. This is something that is priceless in my opinion. Saves you so much time that you would lose cutting sheetrock after the fact. So basically the way this works, get it out of here first, is you use this during the framing stage, building a home or outfitting your theater. Jeez. Okay, so you can snap these guys in like this, little arms. And then you bolt it into the ceiling, and then this guy right here goes in like so. So then this clamps on to the pre-construction bracket when it's in the ceiling, and then the speaker itself pops right into this. Seems like a lot of moving parts, but it works really easy. This is just for your termination for your speaker wires. So one other thing, if you guys are wanting to do a little bit more and go the extra step, Focal also makes a back box that will help insulate the audio from escaping into the room behind. So this is really cool. And if you're gonna have like a theater room on an upper level, and maybe there's a kid's room on the other side, or you're trying to just dampen the audio from escaping into other parts of the home, or maybe even you have one in the theater room and the kitchen's above and you don't want the audio getting into the kitchen, pop this guy in, and it's going to help dampen that audio from escaping into the rooms behind. So the way this would work is you put this in during construction. Again, a lot of these things take planning, so make sure to reach out to us and we'll help make sure everything goes super smooth and make your life very easy. You'd put this into the wall or into the ceiling, it works for both, and then you would put your bracket over that, just like this, and then the speaker goes in, and you can see with all that insulation and the fact that this box is completely sealed and it's metal, it's really gonna help keep the audio in. Now they also have these little grommets here, so like say right here you can bring your wire in. I mean, you can tell in comparison to some of the other speakers that we sell that every single thing has been thought out by Focal, and it's all quality. You know, I love it. I love it. Super excited to offer this to you guys. But this is just one extra thing that you don't have to have. But again, if you're doing it right from the beginning, add it in. Now, the only thing that I didn't show you guys is the speaker with the grill. So let's pop the speaker in. Okay, speaker's in. And then, oh, this is the paint grill. So if you guys are painting, you would pop it on like that once it's installed in your ceiling. But the grills, so you got grill option number 1. You see it looks super clean. And then you got grill option number 2, and that's a square one, like that. Hopefully soon, COVID will be over. I can start traveling, showing you some of these put into homes, give you guys some inspiration. But for now, this is an unboxing video of the Focal model 300 series ICW8. This is an 8-inch in-ceiling speaker, and I hope that you guys liked this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. We are happy to offer this brand. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. We are a direct dealer with Focal. We really appreciate y'all's support. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.